Vietnam is the world's second largest producer of coffee beans. We love our caffeine kick. I'm gonna put some in some cupcakes. And this is a Vietnamese coffee maker. We all have one at home. We like espresso because we like it dark. And to sweeten things up, condensed milk. Look at that, from bitter to sweet. I love coffee. What I love about Vietnamese coffee culture is that it's not something you take away from the store or from home. You sit down and you enjoy it because it takes about 15 minutes for the water to drip through. And during that time, you sit down with somebody and have a real nice conversation about your day. And sometimes I miss that, you know, we're always hustling, bustling, so next time you have coffee, try stopping for a moment. I use some regular sugar, but I'm also adding palm sugar. It's got a really nice sweet flavor, kind of like maple sugar, and it's soft and moist. My favorite part of baking, smelling the vanilla. Sour cream. This is what is gonna make my cupcakes nice and moist. Okay, wet is done. Over to dry. Flour. And baking powder. Pinch of salt. This is just going to even enhance the sweetness of the cupcakes. And these are coffee cupcakes, so we need some coffee. Dry into the wet. Slowly, a little bit at a time. And this needs more coffee, so I brewed up some more earlier. All right, there's my cupcake batter. Got my workout too. I can grease the pan, but these are so cute. And every cupcake needs an icing on the top. And mine is pretty special. Icing sugar. This is a really easy icing. And condensed milk. I love it because it's rich and creamy. And if you're gonna go sweet, then why go halfway? And we're talking coffee cupcakes, right? So it wouldn't be complete without coffee icing. This just needs to go in the fridge to set. Okay, so my cupcakes have cooled down, but they're looking a little bit bare. Oh yeah. Looking pretty good. And more coffee. Ding. Oh, look at that. The coffee beans are in there. Got the coffee icing, coffee bean, and a cup of joe. Wow. I got a great sugar kick and caffeine high right now, already. The cake is actually really fluffy from that sour cream. A little bitter too from the coffee. And this icing, I could just eat the icing. And when I'm eating something sweet, I take my coffee black. Vietnamese-inspired finger foods, I hope you share them with your family and friends.